I hear you have fiction biofuel. Can you tell me where they come from? Sure, biofuel are products from biomass, such as plant matter and animal waste. What are the main forms of biofuel? The most common on are ethanol and biodiesel. Are they renewable and environmentally friendly? Yes, they are renewable and emit fewer greenhouse gas. They can also improve engine efficiency. That's so good. There any disadvantage? Yet the production cost is quite high. Also, it may cause food shortage and deforestation. I see will biofuel be widely is in the future. Yes, they are considered a good alternative to fossil fuel and will likely be used more in the future.